On the other hand, and it's just sort of 1 century, the sort of fifth century Hijri, 11th century Miladi. On the other hand, the word that I'm looking at is an Arabic word that's kind of equivalent to where the contribution of Arabic and Islamic philosophy of language is. It's so complex and sophisticated and multi-century and multi-continent, and it's all there in these books. But this, Plato to modernity in Europe.
Question today is, what, in your opinion, are the causes of a negative perception of Islam in the West? And are there any efforts being made in the West by Muslim and both non-Muslim researchers to change this perception?
I mean, I think the reason is the West, right? I mean, it's like, it's not literary, It's like, if you define literature